Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox without updating it. The straightforward answer is that, for all practical purposes, you cannot. Roblox is an online-only platform, and its functionality relies entirely on consistent updates. These updates are not optional. They are absolutely crucial for maintaining compatibility with the game's servers and ensuring a smooth, secure experience for all players. Without these necessary updates, you simply won't be able to connect to the game or play with friends. Roblox updates serve several vital purposes. Firstly, they incorporate critical security patches, safeguarding your account and personal information from potential threats. Secondly, these updates bring exciting new features, resolve pesky bugs, and significantly improve overall game performance. Most importantly, as the Roblox servers evolve, your game client must also update to maintain proper communication and ensure you can access all available content. Choosing not to update Roblox carries significant consequences. Your outdated game client will simply fail to establish a connection with the official Roblox servers, effectively preventing you from playing. You'll also miss out on all the latest game features, exciting events, and new content that the platform regularly introduces. Furthermore, playing alongside your friends becomes impossible due to inevitable version mismatches between your client and theirs. Therefore, the only truly viable and recommended approach is to always allow Roblox to update automatically. This ensures you have the most stable, secure, and feature-rich version of the game. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the update process to avoid any interruptions. By keeping your game updated, you guarantee uninterrupted access to all features, a secure playing environment, and the ability to connect with millions of other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.